What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. And we're going to be checking out two option plays that I like, and I will be watching this week until next week. So these are the two plays that I'm watching. The first one is the big dog, Amazon. I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see it. And this is the weekly time frame. So we're just going to kind of zoom in and see where we're at this moment. So this is Amazon. We have a gap fill up here from the gap is from one. We'll just kind of make this the gap fill. So we got the gap up here 109 down to 104. So got a huge gap to fill up here. It'll be, if we break this zone, we'll be pushing up to the top of this trading range around 115 area. So my target for Amazon is will be right up here in confluence with this trend line up at 115. So we got a moving average up here and a trend line aligning right in line with that. So this is the first play that I'm watching. And I do like Amazon. I think they will do well on their earnings. Um, that's just my opinion. So the gap fill up to 109 is probably where I'll be swinging this to. If we get some follow through tomorrow. The second play that I'm watching is the other big dog, Tesla. So Tesla's looking real good right now. They just had a small pullback on their chart. So as you can see, they did a nice little pullback and they closed back up. So I'm looking for a break of 178. If we can close above 178, this thing is going to rocket up. So my first target would be for Amazon is 189. Second target would be 195. So they can break 170. If they close above 178, this thing is going to shoot up like a rocket. So reason why I like this play, they're coming up to the moving averages. Some moving average up here 195, but I don't think we'll see that much pressure. But 189 is probably the target. 189 area. Um, we get some follow through, breaking 179. So this is a swing play for me as well. Both of these plays are swing plays for the next, maybe the next 3 weeks. If we can get some follow through, hopefully this week. So if we get some follow through within the next couple days, I'm thinking this thing will rocket on up. Both of these look great, great momentum plays that I'm watching. So those are my two picks. Then we're gonna get into the market and see where we're at. So as you can see, they completely engulfed this candle here. They completely engulfed this candle. Um, fake, uh, fake for the shorts. Everybody going short down here at this bar. They completely ran all those stops. Anybody going short down here, it was a fake. They're still in an uptrend, so they really had no reason to um come on down just yet. Still at bullish, and we still have some gaps to fill. We got a gap up here at 4225 and down to 4201. We got another gap up here. Where's that other gap? All right, we're gonna find this other gap. That's the first one. We got another gap way up here. I don't think we'll make it way up here. There it is. This is the other gap. The other gap is right up here at, I'm kind of zoom in so we can see it. Yep, it's up here at 42.85 down to, it gapped up from 42.67. So we got two gaps up here to fill. Then we got 4,300 up here that they're gonna come test this. The fib level that I'm gonna be watching very closely is 41.57. Anywhere in this area from 41.57 to 43.11. So that'd be the 50 to the 618. As you know, the golden pocket anywhere up in here. If they continue keep pushing up, they break 4,100. I would expect them to come on up. To come on up and fill this gap. So this will probably be the rally that they need to sell this thing off. They're gonna just keep rallying up. They'll be way oversold at this point once they hit these gaps. These are shorting opportunities, so don't forget that up here at these zones. So that's what I'm watching. You know, FOMC is tomorrow, so gonna be seeing some volatility tomorrow, man. So be careful trading in this market, man. So I'm gonna get into a little price action to see what we saw today. So today was pretty much a nice uptrend day. Came down double bottom. They just slowly grinded up all day. This was so slow and choppy. But if you had you a nice uptrend going, you can see this was just a spike in the channel. And this all it was for today, man. It was just a spike in channel. Nice little channel that they had going. Spike up. Nice little trend channel going up. And then they just spiked up at the end of the day. But this was really, really slow. Literally had to sit there and hold your trades. I did get trapped down here in the beginning of the day. Going short. And also this trade, I tried to short this breakout. They immediately stopped me out. So that was two trades. And then I had to wait for a pullback of this range in order to go long. So just a spike in the channel today. That's all it was. And yeah, so I mean, they're gonna get you. You got good days and bad days. You just gotta watch the price action. The key signal that we weren't going lower was the very first 1 hour candle. So they got this reversal bar on the 1 hour, very first 1 hour candle, and they never closed back down there. It just continued to push on up and filled the rest of this bar out. So that's a sign that this is a trap. Basically, they want you to go short because everybody starts selling up here, and then they completely engulfed it. So you know they're at least going back to the high of day, which was 40.63 from yesterday. At least that's the least where they're going. As you can see, they went straight through there at the very end of the day. But when you see this is a clear reversal pattern on the bigger time frame. If you're confused about what's going on, we came down to support, and we never broke 4,020. So 4,020 was previous support. That was the pullback, and then this is just continuation of the move today. So going to see some high volatility tomorrow, so just be on the lookout, man. So sectors I'm still watching is EV sector and also healthcare. So those are going to be some plays that I'm watching. And I keep you guys updated, man. Like and subscribe, man, so we can keep this content pumping and we can trade together, man. Keep this community strong. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.